Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to be practicing our sounds. I'm going to point to the sound and we're going to say the sound together. Get ready. Ah. Next sound. Get ready. T. Next sound. Get ready. Next sound, get ready. Next sound, get ready. Next sound, get ready. Next sound, get ready. Good job saying all the sounds on this page. Now we're going to go to our next page. First sound, get ready. Next sound, get ready. E. Next sound, get ready. Next sound, get ready. Ah. Next sound, get ready. D. Next sound, get ready. Good job saying all those sounds. Now we're going to practice reading some words. Our finger starts on the big ball. Sound it out. Get ready. Sock. Again. Get ready. Sock. Say it fast. Sock. And here's a picture of a sock, a rainbow colored sock. Next word, finger on the big ball, sound it out. Not. Again. Get ready. Not. Say it fast. Not. Now we're going to practice reading the sentence on our worksheet. Finger starts on the big ball. Sound it out. Get ready. The. Again. Get ready. The. Say it fast. The. Next word. Sound it out. Get ready. Fat. Again. Get ready. Fat. Say it fast. Fat. Next word. Sound it out. Get ready. Rat. Again. Get ready. Rat. Say it fast. Rat. Good job saying those words the fast way. Now I'm going to read the sentence to you the fast way. The fat rat. And now I'm going to show you a picture of a fat rat eating some cheese. Silly rat. I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye.